Hi there, students. To be sitting pretty, to be in a good position, to be in a good financial, social, or other position, to be well placed. Okay, so he's got a really good job and he's sitting pretty because there's no likelihood of anyone of them sacking him and getting someone else. So he's sitting pretty. I'm really lucky the flat that I live in is not expensive. So I'm sitting pretty. I'm in a good situation. My team is at the top of the league and they're 12 points clear of everyone else. So they're sitting pretty. They're in a really good situation. They're doing well. They are fine. Okay, so to sit pretty, to be in an ideal situation, to be in an advantageous position. Okay, so perhaps if there's a recession or economic difficulties, for example, supermarkets are sitting pretty because people always need to eat. People need food. Yeah, so during a recession, supermarkets are sitting pretty. It's not something that people can cut down on that much. Whereas luxury goods, these suffer very badly in a recession. Okay, so to be sitting pretty is typically because you're financially well off, because you've got lots of money. So he inherited a lot of money from his Aunt Jacqueline, and now he's going to be sitting pretty for the rest of his life. If you get a good mark in this exam, you're going to be sitting pretty for the rest of this term. Yeah, you're going to be in a good situation. Yeah, you could be living in comfort. Yeah, so he's got a good paying job and he's sitting pretty. Very often as well, to leave somebody sitting pretty. So the company that was my company's major competitor went bankrupt, and that means now my company is sitting pretty because it's the only company that provides these type of goods and services. Okay, so it left me sitting pretty, in an advantageous position. Okay, to be in a good position, to be doing well, to be in a nice, secure position. There was apparently a popular song, "I'm Sitting Pretty in a Pretty Little City," from the 1920s. So yeah, to sit pretty, to be in a good situation, to be well established financially, or it could be socially as well. Yeah, or well established, to have a very good position. I have a feeling that if somebody's sitting pretty, maybe they become a bit complacent. Yeah, they don't have to work, and it's probably not good to be sitting pretty. Yeah, you always need to be improving yourself and going forward. Yeah, but if you're sitting pretty, it could be certainly a temptation. He finally got his promotion, and now he's sitting pretty. Yeah, he's got exactly what he wanted. He's in a good, advantageous situation. If I could get somebody to sponsor me, then I would be sitting pretty. Yeah. I always wonder, shouldn't it be sitting prettily? But no, we use the phrase sitting. It's to be sitting pretty. Okay, so sitting pretty, formality. I think this is informal. I think I'd give it a 4 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation, a semi-formal conversation, a semi-formal writing, just about, but certainly no more. Yeah, and I think the idea is you're just sitting there, looking your best, that you don't have to get up and work and sweat and do different things, and that's why you're in a good situation. So enough sitting pretty. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Sitting pretty.